In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google My Business on GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can connect your Google business profile quickly and smoothly. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account and you're in the correct location or sub-account for the business you want to manage. Once you're in, head over to your Launchpad. This is the main starting area inside GoHighLevel, where you'll see the key tools and shortcuts for that specific location. If you don't land on the Launchpad automatically, you can usually find it from the main menu by selecting the right location and then navigating to its home or dashboard area. From the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Marketing in the left-hand sidebar or top navigation, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on Marketing. This section is where GoHighLevel keeps all of your promotional tools, including email campaigns, social media, and your Google business profile connection. Taking a moment to find this section is important because almost everything you do related to advertising or outreach will happen here. Once you're inside the marketing section, look for an item related to social posting or social planner. Within that area, you'll see an option labeled GBP, which stands for Google Business Profile, previously known as Google My Business. Click on the GBP option. This is the doorway to connecting your Google listing with GoHighLevel so you can manage posts, see insights, and streamline your local marketing. As soon as you click GBP, you'll be presented with a pop-up window asking you to select a Google account to connect to. This is where Google and GoHighLevel securely talk to each other. Make sure you choose the Google account that actually owns or manages the business profile you want to connect. If you use multiple Google accounts, double check that you're picking the one with the correct business access. Otherwise, you might not see the right profile later. When the pop-up appears, you may be asked to sign in if you're not already logged into Google in your browser. Follow the on-screen prompts, allow the necessary permissions so GoHighLevel can manage your Google business profile, and complete the connection. Once this is done, your account will be linked and you'll be able to access and manage your Google business profile directly inside GoHighLevel from that same